In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create minimalist icons in Figma. Minimal icons are clean, scalable, and perfect for interfaces, and the fastest way to get started is by using high-quality resources from the Figma community, then bringing them into your own file. First, open your browser and head to figma.com. You can do this in the desktop app or the web app. Both work the same for what we're doing. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign in so you can access community files and your projects. Once you're in, look for the community section. It's where designers share files, plugins, and templates. Click community to open the library. Next, use the search bar and type minimalist icons. You'll see packs with sets like interface icons, system icons, and outline styles. Minimal icons usually rely on simple geometry, consistent stroke weights, and plenty of negative space, so browse previews and pick a set that matches your product's look. Take a moment to read the description for notes on stroke size, grid, and usage terms so you know how the set is intended to be used. When you've found a template you like, click it to open its details page, then choose Open in Figma. This adds a copy to your drafts or team space so you can edit and reuse the icons freely within your workspace. The file will open with frames that organize the icons by category. You can zoom in to inspect the construction, check stroke weight, and confirm their vectors for clean scaling. Now, select the exact icon you want to use. Click once to select the icon group. If it's inside a frame or component, that's fine. You can still copy it. Press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac to copy. Keeping the icon grouped preserves its structure when you paste it elsewhere. Switch to your project file, the design where you want to use the icon. Open the relevant page or frame so you paste it in the right place contextually. Then paste with Ctrl+V or Command+V. The icon will drop into your canvas and retain its vector properties so it remains sharp at any size. You can reposition it, align it with your layout, and if the icon set is designed with strokes, you can adjust the stroke weight to match your interface scale. For color, apply your brand's primary or neutral tone to keep it consistent. If needed, rename the layer so it's easy to find later. And that's it. You've discovered, opened, copied, and pasted minimalist icons from the Figma community into your project, ready for clean, cohesive UI work.